everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been a hot cup of conversation for thousands of years. Green tea. Is it just a trendy drink, or does it actually have real health benefits? Stick around to find out. Green tea has been a staple in many cultures for centuries, and it's known for its subtle flavor and numerous health benefits. But what happens to your body when you make it a daily ritual? Let's steep into the science and find out. First up, inflammation. It's your body's natural defense mechanism, but when it goes into overtime, it can lead to serious health issues. Drinking green tea, rich in antioxidants and polyphenols, has been shown to manage inflammation, even lowering blood sugar and gut inflammation, according to a study from Ohio State University. Next, let's talk brain power. Green tea contains L-theanine, an amino acid that's been found to strengthen memory and reduce anxiety. A study in neuropharmacology even showed that it can help improve focus and reduce errors in attention tasks. And for those watching their blood sugar and cholesterol levels, green tea might just be your new best friend. It supports healthy cholesterol and may reduce the risk of heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Feeling bloated? Green tea to the rescue. It aids in digestion and can help relieve bloating by eliminating gas buildup. Last but not least, the big C, cancer. The antioxidants in green tea, especially polyphenols, protect cells from damage and may reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. Now, while green tea is amazing, it's not a cure-all. Drinking too much can lead to iron deficiency, and because it contains caffeine, overconsumption can cause restlessness, headaches, and trouble sleeping. So moderation is key. Making the perfect cup of green tea is an art. You'll want to heat your water to just below boiling, steep your tea for 3 minutes, and enjoy it warm. And remember, skip the sugar and opt for a slice of lemon if you need a little extra flavor. Before we wrap up, let's quickly answer some frequently asked questions. Can you drink green tea every day? Absolutely. 3 to 5 cups is the sweet spot. Does it raise blood pressure? Studies say no, it actually helps lower it. And who should avoid green tea? Those with iron deficiencies and those sensitive to caffeine. So there you have it, folks. Green tea is not just a trendy drink, it's a powerhouse of health benefits. Just remember, balance is key. Enjoy your tea, take care of your body, and until next time, stay steeped in good health.